As the drone gracefully ascends, we're greeted by the magnificent Queen Mary 2, a jewel in the crown of the Cunard Line, standing majestically at the Nelson Mandela Cruise Terminal. Launched in 2003 and christened by Queen Elizabeth II, this remarkable vessel was constructed at the Chantier de l'Atlantique shipyard in France, a testament to modern engineering and a nod to the grandeur of classic ocean liners. The Queen Mary 2 is not merely a ship, she is an icon of maritime history, designed for the rigors of transatlantic crossings, blending luxury with the legacy of her predecessors. She is the world's only ocean liner in service that is built for these epic voyages, distinguishing her from her cruise ship counterparts. Spanning an impressive 1,132 feet, she boasts 13 decks, and her towering funnel is a beacon of strength and elegance. Inside, she houses the largest library at sea, a planetarium, a first for any cruise ship, and opulent ballrooms that echo the grandeur of a bygone era. The Queen Mary 2's maiden voyage in 2004 was a landmark event, retracing the historic North Atlantic route, a journey that connects two continents. She continues to uphold the tradition of transatlantic travel, offering guests a taste of the golden age of ocean voyages combined with the comforts of modern luxury. The Queen Mary 2 is not just a ship, she is a living, moving tribute to the enduring allure of the sea. As we watch her stationed in Durban, she stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the timeless call of the ocean's vast, uncharted waters.